How to split screen or use multi-window apps on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this video, I will show you two different methods to enable split screen mode or use two applications at the same time on a Samsung device. In first method, you can use the recent application. So swipe up and hold to view the recent application on your Samsung device. Now tap the app icon you want to use as a split screen. Here we select the YouTube. Tap the app icon. Now here you can see open in a split screen view option. So tap on it. Now select the second icon of the list. You want to use split screen. Here we select the calculator. Now you can access the YouTube. You can access YouTube and calculator at the same time on your device. So quite helpful. If you want to switch between this app, tap the three dots at the middle. Tap the arrow icon to switch between the apps like this. To adjust the size, tap and hold it and move the size bottom at the top of the screen to increase or decrease the app size of screen size on your device. So quite helpful feature. To exit is tap and hold and swipe at the bottom or top of the screen to exit the split screen. The second method, you can use the edge panel. Let's see how to use. Open edge panel from the swipe of the screen. If you can't find this edge panel on your device, go to settings, tap the display, scroll down. Here you can find the edge panel option. Make sure to toggle on it. So when you toggle on it, you can find the edge panel of the side of the screen. Just side of the screen, swipe. Now tap and hold the app and move it to like this to automatically open split screen mode or multi-window mode on your device. Now select the second app on your device from the top. Here we select the Google Chrome. Now you can search the anything and enjoy the Facebook application on your device. So quite helpful feature this is. You can also create the app pair using this. Just long press it or tap on it. Tap the star icon. Now you can see add app pair to home screen or app edge panel. Here we add app edge panel. Now we add to the edge panel and you can quickly access both apps. Let's see how it works. Just exit the split screen mode. Now open the edge panel and you can see the app pair. Just tap on it to access both apps at the same time. So quite helpful feature. That's it. Please like it, share it.